Hello class 8th. I hope you all are fit and fine. This is your computer teacher Mansi Mukherjee. I would like to request you, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe the channel and keep giving comments and posting your queries as you are doing it. I feel very happy. So let's begin today's session.
So let's begin. Class 8 students, today we will do the revision. What I have written lab means the question we will doing is just in the lab I used to give demo to you. The same way I will be giving a demonstration to you about a question how to work in Access. It's a revision. We have already done this type of questions. Okay, but there is a full-fledged question now, right? And if you are having systems at your home, you can open up your system and Microsoft Office MS Access is already there. You can practice these steps and you will, in a much better way, you will understand these things. If you don't have the systems, no issues. You can go through the videos, solve the assignment, and later on we will do this in lab, right? So let's start. Let's see the question. First question is, we will be creating a database named school. Fine. Then we will, in that database, we will create a table workx club with the attributes. What are the attributes? Values of the data. What are the things? Class, student, club name, and subtotal, venue. These are the values. And according to this, we will be selecting our data types and according to this field. And how many records we have to enter? 6 records. The whole question I will solve for you, and just go through it carefully and let me know through comment box how many of you have understand. Let's begin. So please class 8, pay attention. This is the MS Access. How I have got? Go to start, all programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft Access, right? After that, click on blank database. You will get file name with we will name the database as school GMPS, right? Click on create. Your database will be created. In that, I will be using design view to create the database. Table name should be work X club. Clear? Okay. We have got design view, and we know in design view, first of all we have to enter the field name and data type, and again we will go to data sheet view where we will enter the values. So first thing here, this is class. Class should be, if you want to write class in the number format, you can write. If you want to write class in text format, in Roman counting, then you have to select text as data type. Fine. Next is student name. Here name of the student will be there. Now student name should be of text, right? Now club name. Club name should be of text. Okay, students, can we make club name as a primary key? Means only one, no same type of clubs is there. So I think it's a good idea to make club as a primary key, right? Because we can have many students from different class. Student name can of two type of student names can be there, but club name will be unique, right? So here I make the club name as a unique, and so I select it as a primary key. This way how we decide the primary key selection. Student total, it should be again number. And venue, we can make text also, or it's up to us. So I am making it text because I can write laboratory, I can write anything. Let's see. Fine. Now double click on this, save, right? So let's write First I write class 6, student name Jasmeet, club name science, total number of students in this club is 10, venue is lab, science lab. Fine. See here, class 7th, and name of student is Ashish, and subject is maths, club name is maths, right? Maths club. Number of student is 20 here, maths lab. Fine. Next student I write of 8th class, name is Priya, robotics technical club, and number of student is 23 over here. Classroom is say 9th class. Clear? This way we are enrolling the data. 9th class student, name is Radhika, and club is social, and here we can write number of student is 16, 10th class as a venue. 10th class student Ravi, science, big, and here 34 students are there. Ravi also belongs to, let's change. Here we write another group, eco club, environment related. 34 students are there, and the art room is the venue of this class, this club. 11th class student Soumya. Now you are understanding, this way we will enter the fields, and this way we will enter the 6 records. And what are the things we can do in database? You know, we can add filter, we can do the filter, we can freeze column, right? If I want to freeze this column, so here you just write art club, number of student is 10, and the students are, and room is say it's 7th class. 7th class is room for it. So we can freeze this. Suppose I want to freeze the club name. How can we do it? Freeze the column. It will go to extreme left. Clear? And if I want to hide this, we can hide this also using this right left click, hide the column. This column will get hide up. Fine. I hope now the things are more clear to you. You just practice and let me know if there is any query. Thank you. Have a nice day.